and welcome to Administrative Controls Management's Earned Value Management course overview. In this one-day course, participants will follow along with industry experts to cover various topics including scheduling, where various schedule types such as a bar chart and logic diagram will be discussed, resource management, where participants can understand how to resource load a schedule for more efficient operations, earned value, where participants will work through various calculations and problems in order to understand how earned value is calculated, performance measurement baseline, which is the dollar value of the work planned to be accomplished over time, and performance measurement and forecasting, where multiple methods will be discussed such as schedule variance and cost variance, variance at completion, budget at completion, and estimate at completion, and also schedule performance index and cost performance index. This course will also cover work measurement, where we will go into detail on what discrete effort, apportioned effort, and level of effort are, along with the differences between them. Methods will be discussed to determine budgeted costs, also known as planned costs, earned costs, which are also known as performed costs, and actual costs. Participants will have the opportunity to work through practical problems as well as hear real-world examples from an industry expert. In order to provide the best experience for this course, participants will receive a comprehensive workbook prepared by ACM that will allow them to take notes and follow along. If you would like to learn more about this course or the other courses that ACM has to offer, please reach out by phone at 734-995-9640 or go to acmpm.com for more information. ACM has office locations in Michigan, North Carolina, and Ohio, and our vision is to be your first choice for project management. At ACM, we aim to provide the most timely and cost-effective solutions to our clients' project management concerns. ACM is the first approved education provider as certified by AACE International and a Project Management Institute Global Registered Education Provider. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.